To change the Pesti sprayer nozzle for different spray widths, adjust the nozzle tip and pressure to get an even, targeted pattern. Start by selecting the appropriate nozzle tip size based on the task, using a smaller orifice for concentrated spots and a larger orifice for broad area coverage. Hold the sprayer at a consistent distance from the target surface, usually between 6 and 12 inches for spot treating and 2 to 3 feet for broader outdoor coverage, and keep your sweeping motion steady and at a uniform speed. If the Pesti unit has an adjustable nozzle collar, rotate it gradually while spraying over a test surface until the spray fan is uniform and free of heavy streaks at the edges. For indoor work, lower the pressure and use a finer mist setting so you do not oversaturate surfaces or create runoff. And for outdoor perimeter or landscape work, increase pressure slightly and open the nozzle for a wider fan to reduce passes. Clean the nozzle and filter before and after use by flushing with clean water and, if needed, a soft brush to remove deposits that distort the spray pattern. Always test on a scrap surface or inconspicuous area before treating the full target zone, and note the settings that produce the correct pattern so you can replicate them next time. Common mistakes include setting the nozzle too wide and creating uneven coverage and drift, which you correct by narrowing the fan and reducing pressure to tighten the pattern. Another issue is holding the sprayer at inconsistent distances, which causes streaks and missed spots, so maintain a measured distance and uniform sweep speed and mark reference distances on your handle if needed. A third problem is clogged or partially blocked nozzles that produce erratic sprays, and you fix this by removing the tip, flushing it with water, and using a soft needle or manufacturer-approved cleaning tool to clear deposits before reassembling. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners with local contractors and let homeowners read and join our active discussion community for job tips and vendor recommendations. We also help contractors find work by listing opportunities and allowing them to participate in conversations with homeowners and other professionals.